All right, you're welcome back. You see the On Top of Good Morning Niger show on Top Wazobia TV. Thank you very much, Betiana, our traffic butterfly, for that traffic update where you don't sunch us. Check your time, 4 minutes on waka past the hour of 8. And time don't reach for us to sunch you correct interactive session. We'll go talk about many on top of the show this morning. We get Kajad guests for Inside the Studios this morning. Our guest today are the All Progressives Congress Federal House of Representative candidates for Inside Ikorodu. Now, this man, in resume, he fear body because plenty nine this man don't do on top the issue of governance. He been done work for LSDPC, the Lagos State Development and Property Corporation, as company secretary. He don't do better work self with Lekki Free Trade Zone. He don't work as deputy manager legal for Lead Bank, and he don't work as in-house legal counsel for EcoBank. The resume they endless. We're going to need to wrap them up. Ladies and gentlemen, join us as we welcome Babajimi Benson, Honorable supposed to come before Babajimi Benson. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. How are you today?
Fine, thank you very much. We're happy to get you inside the studios this beautiful morning.
I happy today here as well.
Nice.
The way God they carry the pigeon. But he knows say they represent our people, and that means say he must be ready to talk to us in any language of our choice.
Yes.
Now our candidate now we put on touch here.
Man of the people.
Say making they do it, making they represent Ikorodu, one side in Ikorodu.
All right. So first question we would like to ask you: what do you feel to be the biggest issues with day for inside Nigeria when it comes to governance?
The thing where I see, I'll be say there's money no day to do the big things where government want to do. For instance, we have unemployment, which is a very big issue. About 70% of our youth no get work. And if you look at the population of Nigeria, the demographic, 70% are young people. Work no day. The way we did now, oil prices, they don't fall. Like last year, oil price now $100. Today, now about $40-something. So government itself no fit do the big things where they won't do. So they have to prioritize. And another thing where we get now corruption. You know, the little money we dey, you know, it no reach all the nooks and crannies where it's supposed to reach. But we thank God, say, we get leader, Muhammadu Buhari. So he's setting the right pace. So things are falling into shape.
All right, thank you. Make I even ask you, you know, say you people were there inside the house, a lot of people go talk, say, instead of the work women are supposed to focus. Say many of them they fight on trivialities. All these issues that we would hear come up from house where many people they say, she not the real work we are supposed to do. Would they fight on allowance matter? Would they fight on clothing and declaring of assets? Would they fight on all those little things? Some people they of the opinion say, una no they work. Say na jolly enjoyment. Una go they do for inside house. How do you see? Because I'm sure you go down they hear all these kind of speculations where people they make.
I did hear, but everything no be true. And I always apologize to Nigerians that before something go good, it go bad small. The house no be fight we dey fight to. We dey fight to make democracy work. You know, Nigeria, this is the 8th assembly where we did. You know, democracy is still very still there in rudimentary stage. But the thing where we they fight for, now for things where we say if for future it not go happen again. Issues go there now where we say we go talk, we go resolve. We go set good benchmark for the future. The thing where most Nigerians don't know we say every time where we done did that house for now work we they do. We get agenda on almost the problems where Nigeria gets. And we get legislative initiative where we believe, say, go don't solve them. But most times, they work behind the scene. And Nigerians, the way the house they work, na committee. No be when they see us on TV. You go see us on TV maybe on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. The other time, where we know day house, everybody get committee where they work. All over the world, house, na committee they take work. So most times where you know they see us on TV, people where they work behind the scene. And it be like, say, how they know they too make noise. They don't like to blow trumpet. They don't like
why
to
you
make
they talk this and I know they make noise, they worry me. Because we they read down for media, say, the work when they do, we know they hear that one. But when they gbege, we they hear that one.
Gbege, they happen all over the world, though. Not be just Nigeria. But it's, like I always say, is for a greater future for us and our Peking. That thing where they fight on, that time, I sure say it not going to happen 4 years' time.
All right. Now, one of the biggest issues where they affect plenty Nigerians for inside different states and even the nation as a whole, now this issue of non-payment of salaries, we can bring about the bailout funds where we talk about from the federal government. Just this morning, we read, say, the Sweepers Association for inside Lagos State, where they under law, they complain, say they never pay them 5 months salaries. Same thing as the midwives, they carry their own commerce side, talk, say, non-payment of salaries. Teachers, civil servants across states in Nigeria, they cry, say, non-payment of salaries, now then they experience. Who you feel, say, we go put the blame? Because somebody need to take responsibility for this particular reoccurrence issue of non-payment of salaries. Who will go put them for in the mud? Say, yes, this person, they're solely responsible for the non-payment of salaries of teachers, even when allocations don't they made for this particular purpose. And how you feel, say, we feel to prevent a reoccurrence of these non-payment issues of salaries?
I will put the blame. I go put the blame on. First, I empathize. I sympathize with people who never get salary. It is sad because school, they resume. And every family get obligation to send Peking or take care of their aged parents. But I think the problem will be on the structure where we get for Nigeria. We need to go back to the time where we did practice true federalism, where we say each state go work, generate money for himself, and now know the amount of people where he won't hire as staff. So if you don't get money, you don't go hire too many staff. The way Nigeria they operate now is everybody sit down and oil money come, they share. So if oil money don't come, now wahala. Now gbege, or how you know they talk about.
Yes, so.
If oil money don't come, now wahala. If it come, now jolly. So now they talk, when they talk, say we live in a VUCA world. VUCA, V-U-C-A, V, volatile. U, it don't enter my head, though. Uncommon. C, complex. A, ambiguous. So tomorrow, no, meaning say tomorrow, nobody feel know waiting they happen.
Happen.
If it be Syria, if it be oil price, tomorrow Iran, we know they do oil, we know they pump oil before. They don't say make they begin pump. It go affect Nigeria. So nobody feel predict saying that the thing where they happen to us. So which means that you people need to pray for us, legislators. Make we all sit down, agree. Say, make we do Nigeria the way other countries be. Make states get power to hire and fire and fix salaries. You know, a lot of those things get constitutional issues where we need you now support to not be all the time you go they abuse us.
No, we know they abuse it. We just they make sure see everybody knows say we they represent all the sides. All right, if you just they join us, we get Honorable Babajimi inside the building. And they represent one side for inside the Ikorodu. And I carry the big chair where Abike Dabiri being come out for put the shoe when they wear. So now serious I heal in the wear. Make me I bring them back to your constituency. Ikorodu, many people go talk say the road. They don't they do them now. Their mama, the time with their mama they go in their papa house as marriage. People still they experience the same things whether they experience inside the Ikorodu. And people go talk say, okay, now when we don't put another person there, when we go enjoy the dividend of our Peking we sit down top big chair for federal house today. Some of those things that be the things where Ikorodu people go they talk. Say, what's in our person where they represent us there? When we go begin see the jolly inside our locality. Now be some of the things that where they go they cry. Say I beg our children they go school. What do you go do to help us? We market women, we get many issues that where you go need to help. Youth where they for Ikorodu,
Health
they go
centers.
talk say we not get a work. The health care, they go say we dey sick, hospital no kajado, machine no dey there. So many areas, so many people that go get one thing or the other. So what you they do to take help Ikorodu constituency, at least decide where you they represent to get better life?
Okay, thank you for that question. The road where you dey talk about, they don't complete that road though. And that road, they convey millions of people to and fro from Ikorodu to Lagos. But one thing where people must appreciate be say Ikorodu is one of the fastest growing and developed cities in Nigeria. Now, if you look at the election results, Ikorodu Naim bring out the 4th largest vote for Lagos. And it they grow every day. We dey wait say make they do census for 2016. You go see the amount of people where they live for there. Because Ikorodu na 6, na 5, 6, it gets 6 local government. So na very big place. And I want that road, Ikorodu
Service everybody.
road, they service everybody. So it's no easy. The one way they built 40 years ago, na federal government build and make Shagamu Ikorodu road, you know. And good enough, na me bring motion. They don't build am 40 years ago. The place war. You know, so about 3 weeks ago, for the floor, I bring motion, say, make they come fix them. Say they never do them since all these days. So good enough, the Speaker of the House mandate FEMA and Ministry of Works to go look at. I also bring another motion for a Itoikin Ekpe Road,
Yeah, that I talking
which fits carry people come out for Ikorodu if they no use the Lagos Ikorodu
Ibadan
road.
Express.
So I mean that one self they pass them say make Minister of Works go Costa and do everything. Now we must thank the governor of Lagos State because he get policy where he won't do again for Ikorodu. If you read paper a couple of weeks ago, he advertised for he want do Ikorodu model master plan. So they ask for, he's doing it in a transparent manner. So he don't ask for companies where get that skill. Make they come bid, make they come do them. Don't forget again, say ferry day, where they carry people come out for Ikorodu as well. And governor don't promise us for Ikorodu, say he go do 20 roads. The local government go do 20 roads per year. So when all that one settle, people go begin to smile again. You know, because we know, say, good transportation get impact for human being. Because you go fit go your office
do your
on time.
work.
You go fit, you know, go wake up 3 a.m. go work. Some women too, when they reach house for 12 midnight, the husband go say where they come from.
When they go cook, take care of their family.
The husband fit think say they go another place. So
It gets, you know, say, you know, when we get our honorable inside the house, a lot of questions go just dey mind. And I know, say, recently, we've been here, say, you get one pet project where you don't start. And a lot of people go want to know about them. Tell us a little bit about this new project, this new initiative where you put for grandson.
yes, now they call them back to school initiative, which is we they try assist the community get schools ready because pikin go school for Monday. So waiting the thing be say we as political leaders and the CDA for that area, the school where we go now 1942. They set up the school for OK Agbo, Enimota LCDA. So we help them screed the floor. We help them do carpentry work. We help them fix their borehole and a volunteer job. So people wey dey I get a foundation called I Care. So people wey dey the foundation, all of us roll our sleeves, do work. Me, I do carpentry work. I help speak for. I sabi you. I go do anything, make our pikin.
As our people they say,
happy.
you go to watch up now, you go see the initiative, the IKEA initiative as the people,
Back to school.
as the back to school project when they get, you go see people them there that they interview one person, make we even look at small, make we look at small.
Oil price na $100 before, now na $45. Government no get that plenty money like you get before. So we say we be the change, and a change season we did. Make we all come together as a community, all the political leaders, all the party officials and community leaders, the CDA chairman self there. Make we all come together, see how we self fit join hands together, do things. As you see, we don't screed the floor. We don't fix the borehole where the children they use. We don't do carpentry work. We don't fix all the school. We even get one young boy here, where they JSS 3. We in Baba be carpenter, we himself get carpentry work. We don't bring him here. So another philosophy where we don't get, we say, maybe this young boy, we go make it, they train the students too. Because nowadays, when you finish school, it good make you get some skill. Handwork. So it will help you for future. The billionaires where they this world now, they know they work for anybody. So we want to show them, say, as carpenter, as bricklayer, as plumber, we want to put them for the heads of the Peking, say everybody fit do well.
My name is Honorable Shola Jasakan, representing Krodu Consensus 2, which this particular village, now one of my village, and I've been with them for a long time. So anything they want to do, they will call us. But the question there is that we promise them that we say we go do this tape for them. And you know, says these people they go resume school on the 14th. So if you see the floor or the place is a little bit dirty, but the state government is trying its best. But as an honorable members, we promise them, so that is why you see us here today to contribute our own quotas. But you see our people, you don't see them now. Everybody they boboku, they there, and everybody carry pong, carry this, carry shovel to do it together. So, and we really appreciate them, because if we give them a little bit gap, they won't see us, they won't talk to us, we won't know their own problem. And now they see us, and that's why we are doing things together, and they really appreciate it.
Actually, the thing will make me say I go be part of this community development program is just that they always think, say, we women, we don't have anything when it comes to community project or politics. But for me,
very laudable, very laudable. I gbadu the fact say no be say una carry people go there.
Una dey involved.
Una dey there. But you know the question where people go talk say, shey this one na just one off. Abi Ikorodu constituency go dey enjoy this different locality. Go dey see their lawmakers with their sleeve rolled up all the time. They enter all the schools. Abi this one na just only this school go enjoy. Abi other ones still there in the pipeline.
I go answer you with wetin Obama talk. He said that everybody they wait for change. Yes, but waiting they don't know. Be say now change don't come. It don't come. You know they wait for anybody. Now we be the change where we they wait for. So the thing where we they do today, or where we do that day, now something where we go they continue. When school won't resume, we go roll up our sleeves and help. Because now when we help, government get too many work to do, too many schools to fix with little resources. So we suppose just roll our sleeves, assist. Once we assist, government fit now come look that school, say, these people don't show, say they fit do self-help. So they go come assist us. So now, not be say we go stop. Now something where we go really pursue. And we they hope, say, some people self go come assist us more when we do the next one.
All right, on a final note, just kind of related to waiting Lolo ask, I just want to ask this last question. We know say one of the biggest issues we get for inside governance now, sustainability. Now wanting to start off good projects, make you know say yes, you don't see them halfway or you don't embark work on top them. But when they're changing government day or change on top leadership day, half the time we they see say everything go begin change, they go bring up new ideas. So how you feel say we feel to ensure sustenance in projects and governance for inside Nigeria and for inside your own constituency?
Vote APC.
In the sell your market now.
No. APC, they guarantee sustainability of projects and policies.
How so?
Teething problem, defeat they happen. You know what I mean by teething? Small problems go happen. But by the time where we settle, we bolt out, things go there. Okay, so now government will be say, with a promise say that policy consistency go there. And I ain't go to see going forward. That's the change everybody vote for. And I ain't go to see.
Time go tell.
All right, so you don't hear
much.
our very own honorable Baba Jimmy Benson, where they represent Ikorodu constituency inside of it, inside Ikorodu. You, the people of Ikorodu, you don't hear them. But you know, say even when honorable come up for here, you fit throw away in your questions. Anything we will not fit ask them here, we go just forward them to them. So that the people of Ikorodu, you go fit ask them any kind of question and ask many. Abi, you get any system one I don't put for ground where people go fit reach
social media.
Maybe the social media, you know, get small problem. Just come here, put your comment. Our people go attend to them.
Oh yes, my people they communicate to me very well from phone and they're on Facebook.
Okay, how they go find you?
They get Jimmy Benson at Facebook.
Just
Jimmy Benson on Facebook.
On top Facebook. You don't hear Ramo, he say make you come meet up for Facebook. If you put any of your comments there, then go make sure say in team they work on top of. Thank you so much, sir. Say you find time.
You're most welcome.
I hope say from time to time we go to see you
No,
so that we go to count you
Updates.
to 100 days, 200 days. You go to give us accountability because you're not a legal person. So we need to make sure say we hold you by the rope.
No, Allah.
All right, so you still there on top of the Good Morning Naija show. We still get another Agbonge guest too, and another controversial. This one a controversial. Now be, but you go need to relax. Make we see Honorable Bessie outside. Maybe he can give us money for us to chop yam and egg. Now with the crave, yam and egg. Now watch up with tea or coffee.
This is your competition. I beg. We need to back when they come back.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.